And then this is honestly my favourite thing in here. It's a miniature baby grand piano, which we got from the White Company, and I absolutely love it. She has so much fun playing on this as well. We did add these stickers to the keys as well, just so we can try and, hopefully as she gets a little bit older, teach her how to play. And then this area here is kind of like a little book corner. So I got these are actually spice racks that I painted earlier, and I got these from Ikea, and they're perfect just for housing her books in. I kind of do a book rotation scheme so she doesn't get bored of the books, and I just change up the books every kind of week or so. And then this chair is honestly so cute, absolutely love it. My eldest actually bought this for Arabella for her birthday, and we got it from Dunelm. They do it in an adult size as well, and she just loves sitting on there and reading her books. And then next along is a toy storage area. So this is the Kallax unit from Ikea, and then we've just kind of bought the white storage boxes as well, just to kind of put more toys in. I might actually get some more, so I've got 8 boxes in there. And then what I'm planning on doing is I'm ordering tags to go on here, like the little wooden ones, so I can write what's on each box. Probably get them from eBay or an Instagram company. And then these shelves are the little picture-legged shelves, which again I got from Ikea. So I've just kind of put some decoration on here. This is a book that Arabella got me for my first Mother's Day. These little plants from Ikea, and then again these little cacti are from Ikea as well, as is this vase, and these were the flowers that went in the DIY flower wall that I did, so everything matches in here. So yeah, really happy with how the playroom has turned out. Then over here is her little desk area. I absolutely love this little area, and again I thought she'd be too young to sit at a desk and colour, but she just has so much fun sitting here. So this is the little house that I painted on the wall, and then just a little board. So my partner's really cute and he writes little messages on there for her every day. And this is the desk that we picked up from Ikea, and again just painted that. So yeah, really happy with how it's turned out. I might put something above here, maybe like a picture shelf or picture, I'm not quite sure yet, but I think it looks a bit kind of empty, so we'll look to put something there. But yeah, generally I'm really happy with how the room has turned out. I hope that you've enjoyed this transformation of the study into the playroom, and it gave you some inspiration for a nursery or a playroom that you might be considering for your little ones too. I would definitely recommend one of these Kallax units from Ikea because they are fantastic for storage and they come in so many different sizes. So if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already done so, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join me, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye!